Hello friends, it's been 7 months in the works to come to this point here, but I am finally ready to tell you what is going on. The title of this video is not clickbait. We are working on the next step, my return to my roots, as well as switching gears, and I will explain the double entendre that is this title. Because 7 months ago, we put our house up for sale. This will be the final time you see the iconic yellow garage here on TestDrive, because it will no longer be mine. We are moving back to Ontario, and I could give you a multitude of reasons why that is, but it's really not important for you, the viewer, on this car show. The point is I'm going to be leaving Quebec and moving into the London area in southwestern Ontario. That will be happening very shortly from the time that you're watching this, which is again why I'm saying I'm switching gears and going back to my roots, because a couple things are going to be happening over the next little while. The last press car I drove was the Kia EV6. I will not be doing press cars anymore. I have brought on James to do some collaborative work with us. He just published his own video this week, as well as coming on to do the EV6 video with me about a week ago. And we're hoping to get some more content from him over the next little while, but I will not be doing any more press cars. That also means that I will be going back to my roots. I started doing this channel, doing classic cars, older BMW, Mercedes vehicles, and I just loved doing it. I loved to be able to drive them, even though the classic stuff we were doing wasn't really classic. I mean, it was 2000s and up, but still, for me, that's the kind of cars I loved doing. And that will be the plan moving forward. Once we're settled in Ontario, I want to start doing more vehicles like that. So if you are a viewer, you're in southwestern Ontario, or even if you're in the GTA, we can make something work. I want to get back to doing more car content like this, filming the stuff that you just can't get your hands on, and to be able to talk about things that I think people are going to be interested in. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going back to my roots, as in where I grew up. I grew up in Ontario, so we're going back there and changing gears to be doing some different stuff here on TestDrive. So I am excited about this. I know it's going to be a surprise to some of you and maybe not so much to others. The content has been a little less weekly as time has gone by here. We've been putting out less content over the past couple months, and that has been because of what's been going on here. And like I said, I put the house up for sale 7 months ago and only just sold recently, so it has been a long trek to get here with a lot of uncertainty. So while I won't be doing any videos for a little while now, it doesn't mean we're stopping. If you have something that you think is going to be interesting on this show, you can always reach out to me the same ways that you have in the past, either directly, niall@perpetualradio.ca, or follow me on social media. The best way really to get in touch with me is Instagram @NiallLivesey. I do check that. I don't post there too much, but I will check any messages I get. But I do hope to be able to do some more stuff. We have a couple things lined up, so hopefully once I get settled in the new place, we'll be able to do some stuff there. But like I said, hoping to do more of that as we go, and unfortunately it's going to be the end for this yellow house, which I am sad to see it go, but there are new things in the horizons. So I hope to see all of you at the other end of this next adventure, and I can't wait to see what the next step in TestDrive has to offer.